Yes, Maxine's Corner. You've done it again. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, healthy, vegan breakfast smoothie. So yummy, so delicious. The first thing that I'm going to be adding is half of a banana. Simple and easy. When you're in a rush, this is what you're going to do. Have no fear. Maxine's Corner's got you covered. And I'm also adding 1 apple to this. Chopped. Let's go. Get your fiber. An apple a day does what? Keep the doctor away. So I'll be adding half a cup of squash. This is zucchini squash. Got to get your veggies in there. I'm also going to be adding some flax and chia mix. Get your omega-3s and your fiber. We need that, don't we? Simple, easy. You're in a rush. You're running out the door. You need something healthy. You don't have to stress yourself out. If you want to, I can add some protein, some extra protein powder. And this is just half a teaspoon. Completely optional, guys. Completely optional. To that, I'm going to add a cup of milk. Any nut milk that you like. A cup of crushed ice. And that's it. That's all it takes to get yourself a nice, healthy breakfast smoothie in the morning. You're rushing out the door. You want something Veganuary day 6, guys. Veganuary day 6. We may have to add a little bit more milk to it. Everything that you're going to need for this recipe will be in the description box. Don't worry about it. I'm going to leave everything for you. So a cup and a half of milk. Plant-based milk, any milk of your choice. I'm using almond milk. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and blend this up. Let's get it together. Let's run out the door and let's have a nice, healthy breakfast smoothie. Maxine's Corner. Yes, I know, I've done it again. Let's blend this up. Let's go. If you love what you see so far, give this video a what? Big thumbs up. Alright, my healthy people, this is what it looks like. Your deliciousness. You have your protein, you have your fiber, you have everything that you need to start your day off nice and healthy and delicious and vegan. Alright, you can make this the night before, or like I said, if you're in a rush, you are on the way out the door, you have this delicious, simple and easy breakfast smoothie that you're gonna love. Let's go ahead and pour this deliciousness. Look at that. OMG. You've done it again. You've done it again. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is our delicious smoothie, and I'm going to enjoy it right now. And stay with me. Stay healthy. Veganuary day 6.